Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Buick Enclave Convenience, stock number A7016. You do have factory fog lights up front. There's a beautiful chrome grille. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 19-inch Michelin tire. Inside there's a gray cloth upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for two in the front row. You've got seating for two back in the second row as well. On the back of the center console you have rear climate controls, and there are two USB ports. And then coming to the third row might be a little hard to see, but you do have seating for three here. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You've got backup sensors on the bumper, and there's also a backup camera. You've got a power liftgate, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open and closed. As you can see, it's very clean inside here. The third row seating folds into a 60-40 split, and the second row seating does fold as well. And the reason that I'm showing you this Buick today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. Stepping inside to the left side of the steering wheel, you've got cruise control buttons. On the right hand side you have audio controls. Coming above the rear view mirror, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons, and this is also equipped with OnStar. You've got a great touchscreen display here. This is where your backup camera will show. As you can see, you've got capabilities for XM satellite radio. There is a CD player and AM/FM radio. You've got driver information buttons here. Underneath of that, there are dual climate controls. You do have a USB port. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You have a 3.6-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 22 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Enclave or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.